Screen door keeps falling off? I might have the answer for you. And the best of all, it'll cost you nothing. Let's go. Check the track. This was my problem. It's all warped from the weather. Let's take this track out. It just pulls right out. Look at this thing. It looks like a Brit's teeth, nice and crooked. You can go try and buy a new one and spend about $50, or we can fix it ourselves. This material is made of vinyl, almost like PVC, or maybe it is PVC. I don't know. But what I do know, it keeps warping and my screen keeps falling off. Look at this rail. It's all twisted up. No wonder why the screen doesn't stay on. One thing you'll need for this job is a heat gun. Heat guns are pretty cheap, about $20. I did say this was going to cost nothing, but you have to have the right tools. But this is all you need. I can see the comments now. I have to buy gloves and a heat gun? That's not free. Time to heat it up. I noticed if I left the heat gun in one place, it starts to burn and discolor the rail. It's good to keep the gun moving and not staying in one spot. After working this with a heat gun, it really softens this up. I was thinking tape it down while it cools off and use a piece of wood to make sure it's straight and stays straight. And I just keep working it and softening it up and straightening it out. So doing the other side, you can see by following the rail, it completely twisted around. It's warped and has this nice camel hump. Gloves back on and start heating up this side to straighten it. You can see how this became soft like a wet noodle and just bent and fell off. Wait for it. No big deal. I just bring it back up and straighten it with the wood as the reference. That part's straight. Now I'll start on the hump. There you go, flattened it out. I think you got the picture. It looks straight. Now while it's cooling off, I'll clean the channel where the rail was. Pretty dirty. Hosed it and dried it off. Now we're ready to put the track back on. It's pretty tight, so I used a screwdriver to help me push it all the way on. Now the big test. Top goes on first and then the bottom. I have to make sure the wheels are on the rail correctly. Those wheels have springs so you could push them up on a track. Make sure the back is on the track. There you go, seems to be working now. Give this a try. It could be a quick fix. I hope this helped, and if it did, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to slide on that subscribe button.